So how to remove a credit card from PayPal. So to delete a credit card on your PayPal account, it's very simple to do. So first things first is you want to open up the PayPal app and you want to go ahead and click on accounts right at the bottom here. Then once you've clicked on accounts, you just want to go ahead and scroll all the way down and you should see from here all the debit cards, credit cards and bank accounts attached to your PayPal account. So as you can see on our account here, we've got a Barclays card. So to go ahead and remove this credit card, you'll just want to go ahead and select it. Then once you've done that, it brings you through to this page here. And to go ahead and delete the credit card, you just want to say remove at the bottom. Then once you've done that, you just need to confirm if you're sure. So to go ahead and remove it, select remove. And there you have it. And you've successfully removed your credit card from your PayPal account. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe as it helps the channel massively. If you have any questions, feel free to comment them below. And thanks again for watching.